Welcome to Beginner's Canva tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to master Canva, even if you're a complete beginner. After watching this, you'll be creating stunning graphics in no time. Whether you're looking to level up your YouTube channel, grow your business, or start your freelance journey, Canva has all the tools you need. And the best part, it's totally free to use. Grab your pen and notebook and let's start the video. This is the topics which we will discuss in this video. This is the new interface you will see after logging into canva.com. Many of us feel overwhelmed by Canva's interface for the first time. But don't worry, it's very simple once you use it 2 or 3 times. On left side of the dashboard is Home. Projects tab is where we see all our projects, Canva's vast template library, brand kit, and finally Canva's app. And in the main dashboard we have search bar where we search for all the files and templates. And we have option to directly create content for different file format. If you don't feel that creative, don't worry, you can simply go to search bar and search for item you need. For this example, let's search for YouTube thumbnail. Now you will see all the templates for YouTube thumbnails. You can click on any of these templates. Then you will get this options to customize this template. Now the best part is you can now simply edit any part of the template according to your need. This is very useful when you starting out or not feeling particularly creative. In my Canva journey, I used to take these templates as inspiration for my designs. Let's create a professional CV. For that, again go to search bar and search for a profession CV. Now you simply need to drag and drop your details. Now we will learn about the interface in detail. Let me close this. Let's make a social media post from scratch. Go to Home. On the left side you will see Create a Design. You will see all the size options. You can select the size you want to make. Or if you want to make custom size, then you can click on Custom Size. Let's click on Instagram Story. This is Canva editor page, and this black document is where you will see all your files. If you click on the blank space, you will get option to change background color. You can select background color of your choice. Canva also gives you choice to select gradient color as well. Let's select this gradient color as my background. Few things to keep in mind. When you select the editor, you will get this pop-up on the left side. Remember to always put your project name in the top bar to stay organized. To get things done, you will get all the options to edit your file from left side. In the new update, you need to click the menu bar to lock it. You will see all the different options like elements, text, and many more. If you scroll down, and similar to homepage, we will search for different elements within the editor as well. Let's add another page and show you how you can drag and drop the item. When you add page, the background will also be copied. You will see a lot of different designs to choose from. When you see this crown icon, that means it requires Canva Pro account. But don't worry, Canva has so many free templates to choose from. So, when you click it, you can easily add it to your existing design. Now you can edit it according to your need. For now, I am going to delete this. From Design tab, you can search for design and select styles. From now on, elements will be your new best friend. You get all the necessary images, icon, videos, shapes from Elements tab. Let's search for a store image to put it in the background. And search in Photo tab and select Free Image. You can use Canva AI tool to generate image. Now let's select the image. Drag and drop the image to resize the image. Simply click and drag the side of the image. Nice. When you click on the image, you get Edit option. Click on it to edit brightness and remove background. Canva Magic Studio is only available for pro users, but you can use filters and effects. Here we will go to adjust and reduce brightness of the image, and make some other adjustment. Click this to change border size. You can also flip the image, reduce transparency. Adding text to our design. Click on the text icon or use keyboard shortcut T. Adjust where you want to put the font. Write your text. Let's change the font of this text. You can use font of your choice. Change size of the text by clicking on the edge. If you drag it, Canva will automatically adjust the position. You can adjust line spacing by simply clicking on this icon. Let me show you how to change font color by simply clicking on this icon and select color of your choice. Here is a trick. Go to Effects and select on the effects to make it look attractive. Change color to match with the theme. You can use color combo of your choice. Here is another tip. You can click on this icon to duplicate any element. Let's bring it to center alignment. Click this three-dot and uppercase icon to make all the letters capital. Remove effect by clicking on None. Change text color to white. Make some adjustment. Again, duplicate. Make some adjustment. I will show you another way to bring text behind object. Go to Elements and search for rectangle. Or simply press letter R on your keyboard. Adjust the rectangle. Click on it, and you will be able to change its color as well. Let's put a time icon by searching it on Element. Duplicate again and put another text. Use brand logo. Let's use glow effect. As you can see, it has completely blocked the main image, as I wanted glow effect to be behind my logo. Here is the solution. Simply right click and you will see layer, then click show layers. You will see all the elements. Now just adjust the position of the element you want to bring backward or forward. Now let me use another icon, which is phone. You can change the color of the icon as well. Change the color by using color picker. Wouldn't it be nice we can add some animation? I have made a detailed character animation using Canva. You can check that out as well. From different options you can select any or combine all of them. Feel free to experiment with many options. Go to top right side and click on this play icon to play the animation. Click on Share, then click Download. Click on MP for format. Or if you want to download in other formats, then simply change the file type and download. That's all for this tutorial. You can check my other tutorial to master Canva.